I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James. I'm back again. Guess what I got today for you guys? It's the Moza Mini-S Essential Smartphone Gimbal. You get see that? I got it brand new. So we're going to get into it. This is the unboxing of it. It says Moza, capture the world. Basically, it's a foldable. It has a foldable design. It has a object tracking, phone camera control, portrait mode, one button zoom, and easy to balance. So let's get into the unboxing of this thing. And inside here, woo, we got a nice little case here. They put little goodies inside here. What we got here? First, they give us, a little starter guide right here. Shows you how to get started with it. Also has a little information about the Moza app. And a little salt packet that they normally put in there. Also, here's some stickers. You actually have some stickers that you could put on the Moza so you could decorate a little bit. And, of course, the almighty instruction manual in all the different languages. So that's what comes inside of it. As you can see, this is the Moza. I got this because I read some reviews on it, and it was a real nice gimbal that you can use your smartphone with. Let's get a towel here and lay out all the components so you can see what's involved. And I think it actually has a manual here that shows you all the components that's supposed to be in here. So let's begin with all the different components here. Alright, pause for a bit there. Alright, you guys, inside the package here, you have what we call the mini tripod. This is basically, the gimbal, you can move around as you go, but also you can use it on the gimbal. On the tripod. So you can put the tripod down any kind of angle you want, and you can hold it in place as a steady mount also. Next thing you have is your USB charger, which is here. It has a USB charger in it. Also, it has another camera control cable. So basically, this right here, you hook that up and you can control your camera from the switch on the actual gimbal. They also have a pouch here so you can carry your gimbal around. It's a nice little pouch with a little zip right here, so as you can carry it on the go. And let's get to the main event here. You're scared of your heart is always the same. Alright, you guys, let's get to the main event. And here we go. We have the Mini-S Moza Gimbal. As you can see, this is how it comes out the box. And basically, as you can see, it has a lock button here. So basically, you bring this back and you unlock it. You rotate it up. And now your gimbal is ready. So next thing you do, you want to take your cell phone. This is how you put your phone inside your gimbal. This right here opens and closes. So you just put your phone right in here and it fits real perfect, nice and level. Once you put your phone in, you have a power button here. You just hold that down and then you see the blue light comes on, and see it automatically adjusts. We're going to tap this and see how it has the phone. Tap this 2 times and it automatically levels the phone as you see. And then now you're all set. You can move around now and take your video as you move. And I'm going to show you a little bit on how this works next. But that's basically simple. You can bring it down like this. So you can take video like this on the go. So you can get those B-rolls. And then every time you move, comes up and it goes to a level position. This gimbal is great. You charge it up. The charge lasts about 8 hours on one single charge. And it uses a Type-C charge. So just like your cell phone, you don't have to get anything special to charge it up. You probably already have the charger at home. So let me show you how this baby works, and then I'll give you my final review. You guys, it has a couple of modes, as you can see on the handle. First mode that we have is a simplified operation. If you want to go to sports gear mode, you just double press the down gear button twice, and you're in sports mode. Also, it has a follow mode. So if you wanted to follow, just a particular face, or if you record yourself and you want it to follow you, basically you just hit the left button here 1 time, and then that's follow mode. Trigger, here's your trigger right here. You hit this 1 time and it balances you out and it brings it back to a level position. Here's your joystick up and down, so you can move the camera at different angles there. And also, if you have the additional attachment, you can also hit the menu, take pictures from here, and also has a Bluetooth mode and the wireless charging mode. And you have the T and the W on the side. So that's all you need right there for your Moza. Definitely make sure you guys pick it up. It's worth grabbing. Thanks a lot. Hey you guys, this is the gimbal. I'm running up steps now. I'm running up the steps. See how it's doing. It's me running up the steps. I'm gonna show you again how balanced we stay as I go down the steps. I'm running down the steps. This is me doing a pan.
Don't look at me.
Somebody said, don't look at me, don't look at me. Alright you guys, right now I'm recording without the whiteout correction on. So now, I'm putting the whiteout correction on. And as you can see, when it's dark, I put that little button on and it brings the darkness, it makes the darkness light with a little correction on it. So it definitely has a blackout correction on it. It has Bluetooth connection, has a wireless charger that connects. And as you can see, as I move around, it's keeping its focus right on me. I can come down a little bit with it, but as I move around, you see, it's staying right on me. So I like that. It's definitely smooth, as you can see. Smooth like that. Right now, you guys, I'm outside on my deck. As you can see, I'm panning around. I get good pan. I can come down low. Take a low grunt. Then I can actually use the joystick. I'm still learning the joystick, but I can actually use the joystick to pan around. I'm staying still and the joystick is panning around. I can go down, I can go up and look at the sky, or I can come right back to center. And I think we tap it twice. Yeah, when you tap it twice, it levels. When you tap it twice like that, it levels back up. So it levels center, like so. So I can level out. And you can go down, you can catch low shots like that, or you can pan up. Nice, nice, I love it. And now as you can see, I've got it focused on me. So no matter which way I move it, it still tries to get me into the picture. No matter which way I move, I can move this over here, and then it'll try to pick me back up again. So as I move around, you can see I'm moving around now. It's trying to follow me. This is what they call the follow mode. I like this. Real affordable camera too. Less than $100. And you can use your cell phone. So all you need to buy is just this gimbal. Use your cell phone. Look, I can come down low like this. So if I come down low, boom, come back up like that. I can come back up high and be like that. It still follow me around. Yes, sir. Get your 3D panoramic view. Yes, sir. I like that. Yeah, nice. And then you hit it twice, You hit it twice and it comes back to center. Just like that. Let me put the brightness on again. Yeah, so with that, and then you bring it, it comes back center. Y'all definitely make sure y'all pick that up. Definitely worth picking up. I highly recommend it. Good entry level gimbal for anybody trying to get into the video or YouTube vlogging business. Get this gimbal, keep you level, keep you straight. Let's go. Alright you guys, my final review. The Moza Gimbal Mini-S is definitely an affordable gimbal if you just getting started. It runs you less than $100 now. It's very reliable, very durable, and it will get the job done with just using your cell phone. So if you're trying to get into the vlogging game or video business, this is where you want to start if you're not starting with a lot of money. I highly recommend the Mini-S Moza Gimbal. I will definitely be putting the link below, so if you want to get your Moza Mini-S Gimbal, definitely click on the link below. And this is the end of my final review, and I'll definitely be looking forward to see you guys on the next one. Peace.